This video will be a brief tutorial on how to install the MSI SPATIUM M480 Play on the PlayStation 5. In short, the MSI SPATIUM M480 Play is a PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD that is PS5 compatible, allowing PS5 owners to increase their PS5's storage space. The M480 Play is ready to be installed into the PS5 out of the box, so you don't have to worry about attaching the heatsink to the M.2 SSD. One word of caution before we begin: we do not recommend disassembling the metal heatsink from the SSD, as that may cause damage to the product. Remember to remove the caution sticker before installing the M480 Play. Next, it's time to open the PlayStation 5. The M.2 expansion slot is located under the panel that does not have the PlayStation logo. Lay down the PS5 with the logo facing down. Lift the panel from the top and push towards the bottom of the console to slide it off. You will notice the expansion slot cover. To remove the cover, remove the single screw holding the cover in place. You will notice that there are the numbers 30, 42, 60, 80, and 110 listed on the M.2 slot. Those numbers indicate the length of the drive. For our use, we will want to make sure that the silver spacer is slotted in the space marked 80, as the M480 Play is a 2280 length drive. Remove the screw that is holding the spacer into place, and slot the M480 Play with the heatsink facing up into the expansion connector and gently secure using the included screw. You may then place the expansion slot cover back into place and reverse the teardown process. When initially restarting your PS5, you will be prompted to check and format your newly installed M480 Play. Make sure to follow the instructions on screen to confirm your console is reading the drive correctly. Once completed, you are all set. Make sure to select the M480 Play as your preferred installation drive through PlayStation settings. You have just completed the storage upgrade for the PlayStation 5 with the MSI SPATIUM M480 Play.